there. Have you ever wished to know more about software and been able to produce a complete architectural working drawing? Here is an opportunity for you. Ovinotech Global Services is starting a YouTube tutorial on learning about AutoCAD and also introduction to AutoCAD architectural drawings. This tutorial video will be released each week starting on the 5th November 2022. Time is 10 a.m. prompt, and you can also visit our Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for more content at www.facebook.com/Ovinotech Global. Also drop us a message on our mail at ovinotech1@gmail.com. Don't also forget to like and hit the subscription button. We make sure that you fully know how to produce a complete architectural drawing of different types after this class. For more inquiries, you could call or WhatsApp the number 08066971963 or 07088604323. Ovinotech Global Services. Success is our goal.